Hello everyone. So in this scenario of COVID-19, CBSE have announced a great gift for you students, and that is they have introduced a subject named as Applied Mathematics, which will be an optional subject for class 11 students apart from our regular mathematics, that is 041 code. So in this video I'll explain three factors of the new notification as per CBSE, and I'll try to cover all the questions related to this thing. Okay, the first one is syllabus, and then the next one is eligibility, that is who are the students who can opt both of these mathematics, and then the scopes of this subject. Okay, so we had mathematics in our 11th standard with the code 41, that is general mathematics, and it will be continued, and along with this we have another subject newly introduced, that is applied mathematics, okay, which have code 241. Understood? So this subject will be more aligned with the commerce student and as well as the art student. Okay, and this will become an exclusive for science student. Of course the other students can take it, but the problem is it will not be helpful for commerce student. CBSE have developed another subject, that is applied mathematics, but what I want to say that this will be helpful for science student only, and this will be helpful for other streams like commerce and arts. Okay, so now let us go to the syllabus of the new mathematics. First of all, the unit 1 will cover numbers, quantifications and numeric application. It is mostly about the binary numbers, prime numbers, and numbers, like playing with the numbers we have in smaller classes. So it will be an extended version of that. Okay, next we have algebra, like sets, then functions, relations, and arithmetic progression and geometric progression. These all will be conducted, these all will be included under this algebra. See, the problem is commerce student, some of the students, they love maths, okay, so they want to take it, but the problem is why to handle an extra pressure for your board exam, class 12 board exam, when it will not be that much helpful than your core subjects like accountancy or other subjects. Okay, so they CBSE have I totally appreciate this move, that they have come up with a subject which is even useful for the commerce student also. They are not only, it will not be a hamper for them, because it will be useful, it will be helpful for their subjects also. Now they have probability, of course probability and statistic, that is always useful for commerce student, that is the basic of commerce student. And apart from this, they have included basics of financial mathematics. This financial mathematics was not included in the mathematics 041. Okay, and this is totally core related to the commerce subjects. And for the syllabus of class 12, we have again the number quantification, like the chapter 1 of the unit 1 of the class 11, then algebra, in which we will be studying matrices and determinants and inverse of matrix. These all are there in our older version. And for calculus we will be studying about maxima, minima, differential equation, indefinite and definite integrals. So most of the things are there. And probability is there, and then inferential statistic, in which population and sample parameters of statistical inferences, these are taken. It will be more related with the commerce students. And then index numbers and time based data, okay, these are also connected with the this commerce students. Then financial mathematics, as I have already told you about financial mathematics in class 11, so class 12 portion is there of financial mathematics. And then linear programming, LPP, is there, linear programming for this mathematics, and this is also connected somewhat with economics as well as commerce students. So as per the syllabus analysis, I don't think that applied mathematics will be easy, okay, because the syllabus I think is greater than the previous mathematics, like 041. It is because calculus portion is also included and financial portion is also included. So now let us come to eligibility portion. This mathematics 041 will be given to those students who had standard maths in their class 10th, and those who have taken basic maths cannot opt for mathematics 041. They can opt for 241, that is applied mathematics, okay. And actually standard maths, the students who have standard maths, they can apply for both of the whichever of the subject. They cannot take both the subjects, okay. Both the subjects will not be a combination, but they can opt for this also and they can opt for this also. But basic maths, they can only opt for applied mathematics. They cannot opt for mathematics 041. Understood? And one thing you need to understand here, if the student fails in mathematics 041, then he will not be allowed to change his subject code to 241, okay, because this will be see, this mathematics is a part of some other combination like physics, chemistry and maths. This physics, chemistry and maths combination, this maths is required. If you are taking applied maths and with physics and chemistry, that will be not that helpful in your future. We will cover that in scopes area, that it will not be helpful for your future, okay. And if the student is taking say accountancy, BST, and then this math, applied maths, so this maths is not required, okay. So if the student is taking 041 maths and he gets failed, then he will not be able to change its code and they take 241, okay. It is not an option there. So it is clearly written on the notification that it is not substitute. One is not substitute for the other, okay. Okay, one more thing is there. Applied mathematics with code for 840 is already there in class 11th, okay. Most of you may not know about this because very less schools offer this applied mathematics with 840. This is a skill based subject. It is a vocational subject that is more oriented towards job, okay. It is not oriented towards higher studies. So if a student is having this subject 840, he can directly be promoted to this. The plus point is that 241 is designed in such a way that you can go for further studies, higher studies in applied mathematics, okay, by taking applied mathematics. So now the notification says that if a student is having 840 applied mathematics in class 11, he can easily shift to 241 in class 12, okay. Now let us come to the scopes of both the mathematics and applied mathematics, okay. So first of all, let me talk about the scopes of 041. So you can take higher studies. This is not higher secondary, okay. This is higher studies in mathematics major, like you can take BSc maths major, or then MSc maths major, or then PhD maths, okay. This can be done with 041. And then most important is BTech and BE. For engineering, you need this 041 maths, okay. You will not be able to do engineering if you are taking 241 as your maths, okay. Next, all the major subjects in science stream will require this, okay. And here one thing is important, biotechnology. For biotechnology, some of the good universities, some of the best universities demand for mathematics. So till now they were demanding for this only, but not all. Always understand this, all the universities doesn't demand for mathematics for biotechnology, okay. Some of the good universities like Jadavpur universities and all, and Delhi University also, they demand mathematics 041 because till now only this was the option. So mathematics they were asking to do masters in biotechnology, okay. So right now I'm not in a position to say that whether that will be fulfilled by this subject or not, but as per CBSE guideline it will be fulfilled. But if Jadavpur University or some other great universities will not accept this maths, then we will have to inform you later. But for this, for now, we know that MSc in biotechnology, masters in biotechnology requires mathematics. Till now only one mathematics was there, so they were asking for this mathematics. Let's see if they are agree with this mathematics or not. So mostly all the science related subjects and higher studies required mathematics with 041 code. And let's go to scopes of applied mathematics 241. Mostly you will get help with applied mathematics in commerce. Like for CA, you don't need this mathematics and get a very low marks. You can have applied mathematics so that it will be helpful for CA. And for economics, we need mathematics. Till now, only one mathematics was there. So specifically for economics, there is nothing written on the notification. So it is my perception that economics can be done with applied mathematics only, because the subject combination is like that, the syllabus is like that. But if anything is written, if I found anything written, then I will be making video on that. But as per the syllabus and as per the subject combination, I think economics will be okay with applied mathematics, because in the notification it is written that it is mostly for commerce and the art students. So art student, mostly economics students need mathematics. Otherwise, if the student is doing some other thing, they will not require both of the mathematics. So it is not meant for them only. So far I have gathered this much information about the new applied mathematics 241. If I get any other information, I will be updating a video for this. Till then, if you have any doubt, please ask in the comment section and I'll try to answer them. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe, keep practicing.